Good morning, class. Hope you are well at home. And now, after the UTs, we will start second chapter of civics, that is constitutional design. Students, you will get this chapter in two references. First of all, South Africa, and second, India. So we'll discuss two constitution of the two different countries, that is South Africa and India. So here the chapter starts with that particular speech of Nelson Mandela, and he's the great personality. We know that well-known personality in the world, and who fought for the system, that is apartheid system in South Africa. So let's begin with the title Constitutional Design. Here we'll see democratic constitution in South Africa. The chapter starts with the speech Mr. Nelson Mandela when he is delivering a speech that is particular having a great influence over the people. So let's see. He said, I have fought against white domination and I fought against black domination. He's saying in this speech that he fought against the domination. Domination means like in India, British colonies were ruling. Same in Africa, British colonies were ruling there. That is white domination. And I fought against the black domination. Means they were dominating over the black, or means South African people. So I have cherished the ideal of democracy. Cherished means always he had protected the idea of democracy, means he is in favor of that, and free society in which all persons live together in harmony. Harmony means without any controversy or any conflict or any kind of dispute. So all people are living in harmony and with equal opportunities. Means, as you know, in democracy some rights are given to the people and people enjoy all those rights. So means all are equal in the country before the law. So it is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. Means this particular idea he is saying that in which he used to believe and he lived only for that. Means people should be treated equally in the country. You can compare this particular one when Mahatma Gandhi was in same idea, and you know that he was the follower of Mahatma Gandhi even. So but if needs to be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. Means I am prepared to die. That is particular one idea, means that is of democracy, that it is an ideal. Ideal means to which we follow, or which I am prepared to die, means that particular cause of he is ready to die. Means if people are getting democratic way of government and people are getting all their rights in that particular task, if he is losing his life, that is nothing task, a bigger task for him. So it was the meaning of this his particular speech which were delivered by Mr. Nelson Mandela. So this was Nelson Mandela being tried for treason by the white South African government. So particularly it is after that he delivered the speech when he was accused by that particular crime, that is he is a treason. Treason means when a person is punished for the cause of that he is not means the in favor of that people of the country, and he is against of the system and he is having some kind of allegation on him. So African government, and he had 7 leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 for daring the oppose of apartheid regime in his country. So there was particular main cause that as the people, you know, the people are black in South Africa and white government were discriminating them on the different basis. So that particularly he fought for this, why the discrimination is there, why other people who are not of that country are discriminating the people. So he spent his there in 28 years in South Africa, most dreaded prison, that is Robben Island. So here he spent his life, and 28 years he spent in prison. Now, struggle against apartheid. Struggle against apartheid means as the struggle in want of independent fight we have seen during the British time in India, but it was different from that thing. Apartheid name of the system is racial discrimination. Racial discrimination means when people are discriminated on the basis of their color and complexion. To with this we call racial discrimination, unique to South African, and the white Europeans imposed the system to South Africa during the 17th century or 18th century. The trading companies from Europe occupied it with arms and force in the way they occupied India. Means the same way, but not like that. The large number of whites had settled in South Africa and became the local rulers. System of apartheid divide the people and label them on the basis of their skin color. Means this was the main particular system where people were discriminated on their color complexion. So the native people of South Africa and black in color, they made up about three-fourths of the population and were called blacks. These blacks, beside these are two groups that were mixed race who were called colored, and migrated people from India. So means the colored people who have been migrated from India, and other were you can say South African. So beside these two groups there were mixed people, they were colored people, and they who had come from India. Now the question arises why they have come from India, because there was a slave trade, and they used to go there and settled for some times. So beside these two groups, there were colored people, and white rulers treated all the non-whites who are not black. Non-whites means who are other than white. Non-whites means other than people. So they were treated as inferior, means not equally, lower. Okay, whose standard is below than that of those of them. So the non-whites did not have voting rights. The apartheid system was particularly oppressive. Oppressive, you understand? Means if you are not following certain rule regulation, what will happen with you? Means you will be treated ill. So they are forbidden from living in the white areas. They could work in the white areas only if they permit. Means by the permission of government, they are able to live there, otherwise not. Trains, buses, taxis, hotels and hospitals, schools, colleges, library and cinema halls, theaters, beaches, swimming pool all were separate for them. This was the rule by the government for the native people of South Africa. And even the public toilets were separate from the whites, blacks, and blacks. This was called the segregation. Obviously, this is segregation, means people were treated separately, they were isolated, they were confined to all limited places. So they could not even visit the churches where white worships. Means you can say synagogues or the places where the worship were separate, and blacks could not form association or protest against the terrible treatment. What was happening there? There was no any voice could raise for them, no any authority and government for them, so that they could be one platform to listen them. So it was not there. In 1950s, the black, colored, and Indian fought against the apartheid system. They launched the protest march, strikes, and National African National Congress was umbrella organization. Means this was one of the main organization under which many struggle took place. So against of what? The policy of segregation. So this included many workers union and communist, means many people start going against of this particular system. Many sensitive whites also joined ANC to oppose apartheid and played a leading role in the struggle. Several countries denounced apartheid and unjust the racist, means who were in favor of that particular, so they denounced it, means they criticized this. But what white racist government continued to rule, detaining, torturing, killing thousands of black people and colored people, means continuously the oppressive system was there in South Africa. So this was the apartheid system. Now what happened afterwards we'll discuss in new video. So till here, you take reading, try to understand, take out some point regarding apartheid system, and write about Nelson Mandela, his contribution, and how he fought with the system. So these two questions come out from all this discussion. I stop this video here. So in the next video, we'll discuss about the struggle against apartheid. Till then, okay and bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.